we are looking at how to pronounce these names. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing names from history and from France as well. So stay tuned until the end of the video and to the channel to learn more. Alright, so let's get into how you pronounce the name of these historical character. I'm going to give you the French way and then English. Marquis de Lafayette is how it's said in French. Alright, so let's break it down. Marquis, you have a silent S. Marquis, you could say in English. Doesn't really matter which syllable you stress on because it's French, so all syllables are stressed equally. So Marquis or Marquis, it's generally Marquis in English, but both are fine. De Lafayette, Marquis de Lafayette, that's French, that's perfect pronunciation, thank you. And in English, Marquis de Lafayette, Marquis de Lafayette. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.